to write a program to create a list and count the even numbers present in it. So here we have to count the even numbers present in a list. Okay. So first A is a list. It refers to some values 3, 4, 5, 6, 17, 21. Now I want to check each value of this list whether it is an even number or not. After finding it is an even number, then I have to count the even number. So first A of 0 more 2 equal to 0. What is there in A of 0? 3. 3 more 2 equal to 0, condition false. So we will be moving to the next index value 1. So we will be checking 4 more 2 equal to 0. So the condition is true. Now we have the count this one. We have count the first even number. So in order to count, we have to take a variable count equal to 0. So in the beginning, the value of count will be 0. In the next time, if I encounter an even number, I have to change the count to 1. Now see, A of 1, that is 4. 4 more 2 equal to 0, condition true. That means I want to change the value of count to 1. In order to change value of count to 1, we have to add 1 with the count. So it will be like this. Count equal to count plus 1. What is the value of count now? 0. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. Now the value of count will be 1. Now we are taking the next value, A of 2. A of 2 means the value is 5. The condition is false. Next it is 6. A of 3, it is 6. 6 more 2 equal to 0, condition true. So now we have encountered the second even number. Now I want to change the count to 2. So what we will do? We will do count equal to count plus 1. Now the value of count is 1. Then 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Now next index value is 4. So the value A of 4, that is 17. 17 more 2 equal to 0. Condition false. Then we will be checking the next value from the index value 5. A of 5, that is 21. The condition is false. Now no more values from the list. Now what is the value of count? 2. That means there are only 2 even numbers in this list, that is 4 and 6. Then we have to display the count. So when you and see here, we are repeatedly executing the statement count equal to count plus 1. So we can give it inside the loop. So when we are writing, we have to write like this: I equal to 0 while I less than length of A. Then we can write if A of I more 2 equal to 0. What we will do? We will be counting C equal to C plus 1. So we can take a variable C equal to 0, then C equal to C plus 1. Then here we have to increment the value of 5. So this is the coding. Now we can write the program. So already we have written the coding to create the list. Now we have to access the elements and we have to check whether it is an even number or not. If it is an even number, we have to count. So for counting, we can take a variable count equal to 0. Then we can write while I less than length of A. If the condition is true, we have to check if A of I mod 2 equal to 0. If the condition is true, we have to count. Count equal to count plus 1. In this way, we will be checking each element of the list. Then we have to increment the value of I to check each element of the list. Now outside the loop, we have to write print number of even numbers in the list equal to, then we have to put a comma and we have to write count. This is the answer.